I don't know how to draw a trend line. You know what? I don't know if I should connect 2 swing highs and 2 swing lows, or 3 swing highs and 3 swing lows to actually draw a trend line. Should I connect the wick of the candle, or should I connect the actual real body of the candle? I'm not sure about that. Friends, if you are someone who has these kind of thoughts going on in your mind, then this video is going to be super useful for you, because in this video I'm going to clear your doubts and draw a clear path for you to help you draw trend lines. So that's what this video is going to be about, friends. So friends, number one, let me tell you the most important doubt that most people have. Should I connect 2 swing highs and 2 swing lows, or should I connect 3 swing highs and 3 swing lows? Friends, the way to draw a trend line is you have to have at least, which means minimum 2 swing highs and swing lows in order for you to identify the trend of the market. So for example, I have chosen Tata Steel over here, which is a very completely random stock. So now if I want to identify the trend of Tata Steel, I want to identify how many swing highs and swing lows, friends. If you know the answer, type in the comment section how many swing highs and swing lows you should connect in order to find a trend. So the answer is you have to connect a minimum of 2 swing highs and 2 swing lows. In this case, I'm going to connect this one over here and this one over here. So friends, this is basically a higher high, because this is the first high and this is the second high. So the stock is clearly making a higher high, right? So as far as the highs are concerned, the stock is making a higher high. Now let us look at the lows. So this low, I cannot really take this into consideration. Tell me why, friends. Why can I not take this low into consideration? Because, friends, this is not yet a low, right? It can go further down. And how do I know that a low has been made? When a red candle is followed by a green candle, that is when you know a low has been made. So is this red candle followed by a green candle? No. So you cannot tell if the low has been made. So currently it is going down, but a low has not yet been made. So what is the other option I have? This is the only low I have. And what is the other previous low? This is the previous low, right? So if I connect these two candles, now I have a trend going on, right? And in fact, the trend has been broken today. So friends, a lot of you might be familiar with price action patterns. So this particular pattern, whatever is going on over here, this particular pattern, if you know the name of this pattern, type in the comment section what is the name of this pattern, so that others will find out what type of pattern this is. Okay, if you haven't seen my basics of technical analysis video, you have to watch this video, friends. It's basically called 3 pillars of technical analysis, and in that video you will learn the basic assumptions of technical analysis. As in, if you want to actually do technical analysis, what are the 3 core concepts you have to learn, understand? That will be explained in this video, friends. So friends, as of your doubts about wick and real body, so I'll clear that out for you, friends. You don't have to connect wick, okay? The real body is what is important. Let's say you're doing a business deal, okay? And in a business deal you can talk different numbers. You will have a range, right? So from 2 lakhs to 2.5 lakhs, that is my range. But you will close the deal at what price? At say 1,50,000. So this range is what the wick is. Okay, now you tell me, is this range important or is the closing price important? Because that is where you've closed the deal, right? You know the answer. So the answer is the closing price and the opening price is what is important. The real body is more important than the wick. Now last question. I am not a technical analyst. Can I really draw trend lines and do technical analysis? I mean, is it really possible? I was not a technical analyst. Basically, I am a homemaker. And if I can do technical analysis, you can do technical analysis as well. Friends, in the next section, I'm actually going to give you 3 bonus tips when it comes to technical analysis, and especially when it comes to drawing trend lines. So friends, before I tell you what these 3 super interesting bonus tips are, I actually want to remind you of the services which I provide. So friends, this is my coaching program. This page over here, I will share this link in the description box. You can check out this page. So basically, it's a pretty long coaching program. It's a 2-month coaching program. I have all the details in this page. Just go and visit this page. There's also a video. Second is, I have a Telegram channel for swing trading. So if you want to take swing trades, right, so you can join this Telegram channel. It's completely free. And so basically I will share my technical charts, and I will share the trades which I take when I enter and when I exit and everything. So you can join this Telegram channel, and it will be super useful for you to learn how swing trading is done. Friends, the first tip I'm going to give you is you should always look for current market price. So whenever you open a chart, the first thing you should do is you should find out where is the current market price. So if you look at this chart for Sun Pharma, the current market price is over here. From here and left, you'll have to look for swing highs and swing lows. That is how you will be able to identify a trend. So over here, friends, the previous low is over here. Why? Because a red candle is followed by a green candle. So I will click this low because this is the lowest point. Now before that, this is the low, right? So I'm going to click here. And similarly, whenever a green candle is followed by a red candle, that is a high. Okay. Now this is the first high, and there are 3 highs over here. One second high and third high. So I'm going to connect these 3 highs. And now what do I find, friend? Magically, we have found the trend of Sun Pharma, which has been broken down. So that is my first tip, friends. Always start with the current market price. Second tip is always do a multiple time frame analysis. Don't just look for a trend in one single time frame, but do it in multiple time frames. Go to the weekly time frame, see what is the kind of trend that is going on. So friends, if you look at the weekly time frame, Sun Pharma is still trending up. And in fact, you can say that it can take support and go higher, right? So this is the most important part, friends. Always do a multiple time frame analysis. Okay, that is my second bonus tip for you. The third tip, friends, is that trend lines can act as very good support and resistances. Now what happens is, most people, whenever a stock comes closer to a trend line, they think that is going to break out and go higher, but that is not the case. Okay, whenever a stock comes closer to a trend line, it is going to face resistance or support and go lower. When a stock price breaks a trend line, it's called a breakout. So breakouts don't happen that easily, friends. So trend lines always act as resistance at the top and support at the bottom. So don't think that it's going to break out all the time. Most of the time it will come down, or it will take support and go higher. So those are my 3 bonus tips, friends. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comment section that you found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to share these videos with your trader friends, because if you think it will be useful for them. And finally, thank you so much for watching this video, friends, and I will get back to you with another video on swing trading and technical analysis. Until then, take care. Bye bye. See you later. I'm Yamini Prabhu, your swing trading coach.